Good medical morning. This is Adam from 911 Reviews, and today we're going to talk about tonsil stones. And fun fact, my wife started getting tonsil stones years ago, and I started putting her YouTube videos online, and they are what helped grow our channel to the size that it is today. She was one of the first people to display her tonsil stones on YouTube, and at the time, there wasn't a common name for them. Tonsillolas, as doctors would call them, didn't even know what they were. We started calling them tonsil stones, and it kind of took off. Interesting fact, I took her to the ER in 2014 with an intestinal bug. While I was there, I showed her tonsil stones to the ER doctor, and he had never seen them before, and he had no idea what they were. So it's surprising how far we've come in just a few years, that back then it was hard to get a doctor to know what they were, and today they're pretty common on YouTube. People talk about tonsil stones, and I think everyone knows what they are. There's a lot of ways to get them out, but the best way for her was using one of these lighted medical picks. They're the least invasive, also good for earwax. There's several heads, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can buy them on Amazon for next to nothing. So again, if you get tonsil stones, don't use a Q-tip or your finger. That can do a little more damage than you want. Get a curette that's especially designed for getting rid of your tonsil stones, just like this. So I have a question for you. My wife has had her tonsils removed, so she no longer gets tonsil stones. She had that about 2 years ago, and it's been a miracle for her to get them removed. Now currently, she happens to have the Coxsackie virus. Now that is a virus where you do get little pustules on the back of your throat. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know if you'd like to know more about that condition. If you're interested in more medical videos, explanation, educational content, and just fun popping videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Watson and I bring you several videos every single week. Also check out our Facebook at facebook.com/freakymedical. It's a pretty fun Facebook page. We do a new post there every 2 hours. Also, if you click the subscribe button, or if you're a subscriber, make sure to click the notification bell to see all of our notifications. We'd love to have you join us, leave comments, and join the discussion. We don't have a lot of people that leave comments every single video, but there's a few of you, and I want to say thanks. It's great to hear from our regulars. So again, if you get tonsil stones, get a tonsil stone removal tool like this. Amazon link below to a real high quality one. Also, if you get tonsil stones, go ahead and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. Click like, subscribe. We have new videos pretty much all the time. Adios, amigos.